Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen, where we cook delicious meals that are very easy to prepare. If you are new here, karibu sana, and feel free to press the notification button down below so once I upload a video you'll be notified. So today we'll be cooking beef samosas. Stay tuned. To prepare the maida or samosa pocket, we will use 400 grams of flour, which is equivalent to 1.5 cups and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, salt to taste, and water enough to soften the dough. For its filling, we will need ground beef ama ukipenda minced meat, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 bunch of coriander, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a pinch of black pepper, and salt to taste. First things first, we are going to prepare the maida, and we are going to make a hole. Then we will add the salt. We're going to add the oil, and now water. This water is warm. And ensure your hands are very clean. So the dough is ready, and I'm going to let it rest for like 20 minutes as we prepare the filling. The reason why I'm covering this is so that it cannot form a crust. That dough should not form a crust. So that is why we are covering it. Now I want to prepare the filling. So in a pan, put some oil and then add some garlic and let it saute for like 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add my ground beef. In the meantime, we are going to add our onions. So that it can continue to cook as the water dries up. Now we add our spices. And ensure that you've mixed it up and every part is all mixed up. Now we're going to prepare the pockets, and you're going to roll the dough into like a bar shape, something like this. And then I'm going to roll them into balls. Something like this. So once you've rolled them into balls, you're going to make them into like small circles first. Something like this. And then you're going to add a little oil and ensure every part of the oil, every part has this oil. And then you'll sprinkle some flour. Then you take another dough, you roll, and ensure it's like the same size as the first one. Then, so I'll put them together, and the oil and the flour is put there so that it can be easy to separate the two. So I'm going to repeat the same process. So once you've done all the three, now you're going to make a bigger circular shape. So once you've made a circular shape, you're going to put it on a pan just to get that pale color, and ensure that the pan is hot. Once one side is ready, just turn it. So do this for all the other circular shaped doughs. On a clean surface, you're going to cut the dough. You're going to cut them into 4. Then you're going to separate. you're going to separate just like so. In a cup, we are going to prepare the binding paste. So we will use like 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour, and then we are going to mix it with water. So that we can make the paste. You can use cold water. So once you've separated, you're going to fold this into the samosa shape, actually the triangular shape. So we are going to use the paste that we created. The paste is used for binding. Then you put the filling. Then we put the paste again. Ensure that these corners, ensure that you have put them well. Otherwise, yeah, ensure that they are well sealed. Otherwise your samosa will become soggy. So something like that. So guys, this is how it's supposed to look like once you've put the fillings into the pockets. So we want to deep fry the samosas, and I'm going to check if my oil is ready. So my oil is ready. Once you see those bubbles, that means that your oil is ready, and you have to use a wooden, anything that you have wooden, either a mwiko, a spoon that is wooden. So I'm going to put my samosas. And I'm going to wait for them to become golden brown on each side. So as you can see, the first batch is ready. So I'm going to remove them. So this is how your samosas should look like, and you can have it for breakfast or as a snack. That's all we had for you today, good peeps. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these quick, easy and delicious homemade meal recipes. Till next time, tiga inawega!